Listen, you guys, I am gonna tell you guys something crazy, okay? A crazy experience that I had, all right? It's gonna get real. So before I take you guys on this journey, let me tell you guys what happened, all right? I got a little email from YouTube, okay, to come to this thing called YouTube Black Fan Fest, all right? Crazy. At first, when I got the email, I didn't think nothing of it, you know what I mean? I get a bunch of emails, I blew past it. I ain't even gonna lie, I blew past it like, get out of here, all right? Just another email, just another somebody that wants to pretend, you know, pretend to be YouTube. Until I got a message on Instagram, had the little blue check from YouTube. I said, well, well, my. This must be real, okay? I respond back, and they basically were telling me that they was gonna fly me out, you know, do this event, blase out, everything's paid for, and yeah. So I wasn't about to film this experience, but check it out. Listen, you guys, check it out. I was downstairs and I wasn't about to vlog this whole event. Then I was sitting down and I was like, you know what? Fonz would be so disappointed in me, all right? So what I'm about to do is I'm about to vlog this whole Fan Fest event, all right? Let's go. Oh, snap, almost forgot you guys. I almost forgot you guys again. You guys, right now I'm just waiting on the I don't know what I'm waiting on. It's for somebody to pick me up. So I want to say it's this guy, but I don't know. All right, so as I'm waiting outside, I just watch out, man. Get out the way. You ain't telling it right, man. I was waiting outside for so long, looking around, and next thing you know, he's right in front of my face though. Moxie. I've
been seeing you. How you doing, brother? Doing good? I saw you, but I see you busy and then nobody bothered you. I don't know if this guy. Yeah, we're waiting for another two.
Okay. Hey, you guys, I just came back from doing the rehearsal. I didn't have my brother with me. He couldn't really film it, you know what I mean?
Y'all, what's up? YOU2, we in the building and I'm with my brother 360 Jeezy.
Yeah, didn't get to film it, but you guys will get to see a little something tomorrow. We got the actual Fan Fest happening tomorrow. It should be YouTube live stream or somewhere. I'm gonna put the link somewhere, all right? So yeah, we out. So after rehearsal, me and my brother, you know, we just walked around campus and just chilled, you know what I mean? I was even able to wave check somebody. Listen, we at Morehouse right now, all right? Wave check is in effect. Wave check! Hey, you gotta work on my crown though. Hey, you do gotta work on your crown and the back.
Yeah.
But the top though?
7 months in.
Let me try to get some of that light on this thing. There we go. Now spin around.
Woo! That boy's spinning!
Wait a minute, we got a wave check in the building, all right? Guys, listen, my reading skills is on point. Get out the way. Come on, man. Get out the way. You already about to tell that lie. Get the heck out the way, man. Listen, all right? I got trouble reading, okay? And I was doing this interview with Tristan Johnson, the owner of Bevel, okay? My brother, shout out to Brandon, helped me out and basically was brushing up on some of my reading skills, okay? I had to know the words, the right words to say, okay? Products for people of color. Can you tell us more about how you Can you tell us more about what inspired and motivated you to venture into this space? Your company attracts heavy hitters, celebrities. All right, so event day was here. That iron board is clean. What up? We back. Yeah. Hey, just to let you guys know, we're off. Today is the day. We're off to go to the Fan Fest. About to be walking that red carpet. Looking real dapper, you know what I mean? Looking real dapper, you know what I mean? Hold on, let me see what I'm working with. Ooh, that boy clean. Ooh, stepping out. I ain't gonna have my do-rag on. I'm gonna let my wave show. All right, so don't even try to wave check me right now. But you just got wave checked. I got to walk the red carpet. To walk this red carpet, you already know, Waves is on spin. So they hate on him. 360. YouTube Fan Fest, when I was up there, basically awarded me with some gifts. Okay, I got a Nintendo, I think a Nintendo Wii. Correct me if I'm wrong, if that's not what you see.
So I hope you enjoyed tonight. Thank you very much.
To do a meet and greet. I had my own slot with my name up there. Dang, got my name up here. That's dope. That's dope. So I got to be backstage, man. YouTube, we back at it again, day 2. We somewhere backstage, somewhere to where that we're not on stage yet, but you see, as we see, this is the stage. But yeah, man, it's day 2. We out of here. Everybody was rehearsing. These kids was doing a dance, actually Next Town Down or something like that. I think they was called Next Town Down. They was there. We was throwing a football in the thing. It was pretty dope, man. And when it came time to eat, they basically brought us a whole pizza to ourselves. And in the pizza box was like a Google Pixel phone. All right, you guys, I just got mic'd up. Got a couple of gifts. They handing out phones at this event. Crazy. Got a bunch of gifts. Got a little jacket here. It's crazy. So it was time to get ready. I'm getting all mic'd up and stuff. I'm feeling like a celebrity. You know what I mean? I'm feeling real good. Like, this is my time. You know what I mean? This is my time.
Hey, Tokyo, if we could get him up to get his mic, okay. He still needs to get a mic.
Hey, y'all, make way.
So what we about to do, bro? About to get mic'd up.
Okay.
Probably gotta take off my glasses. Probably gotta take off my jacket. But other than that,
We
it's
out
looking
here.
real good. We out here, definitely. So as the event is going, I'm on stage with people like Nicole TV. I was on stage with some important people, okay? And after we did what we did on stage, they had performers there, man. They had Lil Baby there. They had a bunch of people there, and we was able to all get on stage and just wild out. You know what I mean? At the end, we were just on stage, just really feeling ourselves. You know what I mean? Feeling ourselves. Can I get a feel one time? You know what I mean? So after the YouTube Fan Fest, I went to this place called Creative Summit. All right, I think it's Creator Summit. Okay, Creator Summit. It's basically a platform just for creators. No one else can come. If you're not a creator, you cannot be here right now. You cannot come. It ain't for you. Hey, Scooter. What you mean? No, don't you? No, I could go. I don't know what you talking about. I could go. I went. Shoot, listen. It was people like T.I. that showed up.
Honestly, did you ever really see yourself being where you are today? Tell us the truth.
Okay, so my early days.
It was people like Taraji P showed up. But I had the privilege to interview Tristan Johnson.
In my industry, but for people that's in the room right now, they don't know who you are.
It was a trip to me because it was like, dang, I'm on the same stage that T.I. is on, that Taraji P is on. It's people in the crowd that's been on Disney Channel. You know what I mean? It is people in the crowd that's real creators. And I'm up there as a barber, as a waver. I ain't taking off my do-rag. I ain't taking it off. Y'all ain't finna get a wave check from me, all right? But I'm saying, it was people like that in the building. I'm sitting here looking at these people as I'm interviewing. Mind you, the interview went sweet. Why? Because I brushed up on the questions. You know what I mean? I basically memorized the questions because my reading abilities, I need to step it up. But yeah, man, after the Creator Summit, man, I didn't really do too much, man. It was just, it is what that was, you know what I mean? We got some gems from basically T.I. and Taraji P and a bunch of other people that was there. It was a blessing to be there because, like I said, I'm looking at entertainers and I'm sitting here like, man, I'm a barber / waivers. Even though, hold on, y'all. Even though I know y'all like, hey, Jeezy, man, what you talking about, bro? You an entertainer, bro. You a teacher. You big on YouTube. You out here, bro. I hear what you saying, but I ain't never been on TV like that. I as I'm recording this right now, there's a tripod, a dang mic right here in front of me. This is just small production. This ain't no big production. You know what I mean? So to be there amongst people that has been on TV and just, man, it's dope, man. It's like, dang, I'm dang near getting recognized out here. And for me, it's just a blessing to even be as a barber, waver amongst entertainers, man. It was dope. It was dope. But that was it, man. That was it, man. It's just crazy looking at my life now compared to what it was back then. You know what I mean? Back in the days, I was struggling. It was hard. And I kept pushing. I kept making these videos, even when I didn't want to, even though at the time, I just wasn't feeling it. And sometimes when I go back on them videos, I don't even like looking at them because I know where my mindset was during that time. I know how hard it was. And just the fact that some of them videos that I was making during them hardships, I had to fake it till I made it. You know what I mean? So this is just a testament, man, to keep pushing hard, keep going hard, keep pushing through the struggle. Matter of fact, smile through it because it ain't gonna last long. You know what I mean? If you put the work in, you put dedication, motivation, consistency, the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. If you keep going, you bound to just explode. All right, that's been my whole journey. I inspire you guys to do something that you love to do. Keep doing what it is that you love to do and keep going hard. All right, don't never stop. okay, until the wheels fall off. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Man, I remember in barber school, it was just crazy because I had a choice either of eating or buying a Canon T3i, and I chose to buy a Canon T3i. Just, you know what I mean? Because I believed in myself, and I invested in myself, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take the leap and go without eating. That's why if you take it back, when I was in barber school, I was super thin, right? But now I get to eat. You know what I mean? I'm over here at the Fan Fest, doing it big, about to go in here and do my little performance and everything. I'll holla at y'all. All right, so let's fast forward to the event, okay? Me and my brother, shout out to my brother for coming to me because, shout out for my,